The counterintuitive result that imposing a cost on an industry can increase its profits is an integral part of the economics of regulation. This happened in our model because the additional cost was directed at the marginal factor, which we labeled K. With a sufficiently small scale effect, the inframarginal L factors enjoyed a higher factor price without additional costs. The L owners are glad to see delta R greater than zero and may have even lobbied for it. Here is a more general distinction between an industry's marginal and average costs that abstracts from the factor mix details. We use the notation from Chapter 14. Profits in an industry are difference between revenue, which is P times Y, and costs that are a function of Y and Z. Z summarizes factor prices and other variables that shift costs. As long as equilibrium equates marginal cost and price, the effect of Z on industry profits is shown here. Theta is the pass-through parameter, and the cross derivative of the cost function is the effect of Z on marginal cost. The dy terms drop out because price equals marginal cost. The second term in parentheses is the effect of Z on average cost. If Z increases marginal cost more than it increases average cost, and enough of the marginal costs are passed through, then Z increases profits even though it may increase costs. This calculus of profits is the crux of the results from the previous segment. We also observed this effect during the pandemic when supply chain disruptions made resources expensive on the margin without a commensurate increase in average costs. Consumers paid more while the producers made profits. We do not need imperfect competition or a surge in corporate greed to explain this. It happens in a competitive setting.